Umentri rangba ke jelau kondat ke sangma habe krem bikra pathai khubor mentaka janmi juga khandru terek uremphang arhaja arpoi ula pente bahadian ke jiakren bar ke PGD CIL ke sarkar jilla kalarai banwengno ya ke Nym Pyllip boarding lani ke load shedding hapo ka arpasau kenta.
I'm happy to inform the citizens of the state and all the consumers of the state that the load shedding will be removed completely in the next 24 hours. So there will be no load shedding in the state at all. We have discussed it with PGCIL and necessary steps are being taken to ensure that the load shedding is completely taken out. But while saying this, I would also like to put in a note that MECL has gone through a lot of difficulty and a lot of challenges for many years now. And there have been many efforts now to ensure that we are able to reform and strengthen MECL overall. There were steps taken by dividing the different agencies and companies from generation, distribution, transmission, and many other steps have been taken to restructure and reform MECL.
Ukondot ulakhot berkerpat rui ki paiba nongshong shnong joka jela banya trei lang ban pinklan biang ekatrat MECL da ka basiu hok ekibai lai da ka por ka biang.
There are a lot of areas where outstanding bills have been there. There are many areas also where the actual bills are not coming out as an actual, where there are issues of metering that are taking place. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity also to appeal to our citizens of the state and to all the consumers of MECL that if we want MECL to become healthy again and to ensure that there is proper power supply, we need to ensure that our bills are paid on time. We need to ensure that MECL is strengthened financially. We are going with the process of putting in smart meters, and this will ensure that the proper billing comes up, and anybody who is trying to reduce any kind of consumption patterns out here will come out transparently. So this will be a process which will restructure and redefine the way MECL works. And I would urge our citizens to please cooperate with that and to ensure that everybody pays their bills on time. And that is the only way for us to make sure that MECL becomes healthy again and we're able to see a true transformation in the power sector.